Welcome to RBS online tutorial, Rabbi Brain Solutions.
Welcome to RBS online tutorial. Thank you for watching, for joining us during the previous video. Today we'll move further by treating negative integers in standard form. I tell you, you're gonna enjoy this. Okay. Example. Last week or during the previous video, we treated standard form with positive integers. Today we want to treat negative integers. So for negative integers, some numbers, when you express them into the standard form, their integer is always negative. For example, 0.00000518. To express this as a standard form, how do we do it? By the time you finish this, you must get a negative integer. So you have, your point is here already. So this point should not be here, because this is not a standard form. The whole number here is not 1. And remember, we said it should be 1 or 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It means it's supposed to be at this place 5.18. This point must come to the first significant number, which is the 5. If 1 was here, then we'll put our point after the 1. But bringing the point here is not making sense. It will make this number 51. If you bring this point here, then this will become 51.8. We say that A must be 1 to 9, not 51. So it means you are stopping here. Stopping at 5 points. So before this point would reach 5 points, how would you get it? So you say 5.18 times 10 raised to the power of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Negative 5. As simple as that. This is the standard form you expected. Why is it negative? Because it is the inverse. Because it is okay. Alright, let me do it in another way around so you can understand better. 0.000518 can also be done in this way. And you have, it will become 5.18 divided by how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is a 10 with a 10 in 5 places. You understand? So which also means 5.18 over 10 times 10 times 10 times 10 times 10, which also means 5.18 over 10 raised to the power of 5. So it also means 5.18 times 10 raised to the power minus 5. I think this one is better. So you just count forward. When you count forward, you have a negative integer. But when you count backward, you have a positive integer. Another example, 0.041569. Here you should know, when you want to express this to a standard form, this point must go where? It must stop here at the first number, because the first significant number here is 4. So the point must stop at the front of the 4. So at the right side of the 4. So you have 4.1569 times 10 raised to the power of what? And let's see, how many times will this point get this point? 1, 2. It got there by causing two numbers, so you have -2. That is the answer in standard form. You will see that this 4 is still standard according to the format a times 10 raised to the power n, where a is 1 to 9 and your n is any number, any integer whole number. Let's write it in full. Yeah, any integer whole number. Let's do some other example. Now look at this. Express this in the standard form. It's very simple. Can you tell me the first significant figure here? It is 4. 4 is the first one. So it means your point that is here will be here at this place, at the right side of your 4. So you count. So you write your 4.6 now. You have 4.6. 4.6 times 10 raised to what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. That's -14. Yes, as simple as that. Going back to our previous video where I said something like this: 8, 9, 8, 4, 6, 9, 5. To a standard form, you were coming back to this place. So if you count back, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, that's 8.9 times 10 raised to the power of 6. Why is this one positive? Because you counted backward. You counted to the left. When you count back to the left, it means you have a positive integer. But when you count to the right, you will have a what? Negative integer. See, subscribe to our channel so you can have more of it. Put into the comments spot so we can see whatever you want. You can request for an explanation. I will get it to you. Thank you.
Please subscribe, share and like our video.